Hi, I'm Dr. Shrenik, consultant dermatologist and hair transplant surgeon. Today I will be speaking about BIO FUE, a new revolution in the FUE. So what does it mean actually? FUE is follicular unit extraction or excision, normal process which we use for hair transplantation. Then what do you mean by bio? Bio means using our own growth factors during the transplantation is called BIO FUE. This majorly enhances the survivability and longevity of the grafts for there will also be faster results and more denser results after the transplant. So how is it done? During the extraction, the grafts or the implants are placed in a solution called growth factor concentrate. This will release lot of growth factors which enhance the graft viability. So once they are implanted, they grow faster as they receive a lot of genetic signals plus oxygen plus nutrients, so that the results will be seen within 6 to 9 months of after hair transplantation. The remaining GFC is injected in the recipient area. This will help the fine hairs which are not able to grow. This will enhance the pre-existing hair growth also. Then some amount is also applied on the donor area. This will help in faster healing of the donor area. It will heal in less than 48 hours. So other benefits of BIO FUE are it prevents scarring in the recipient area as it makes the environment conducive for wound healing. Who are the right candidate for BIO FUE? Those who wants to get better and faster results can go for BIO FUE. For those who have a larger grade of baldness, whom the requirement of grafts are more, you can definitely go for BIO FUE as it increases the total graft survivability. What about the cost factor? So it will be an additional cost as the GFC is withdrawn, and a minimum of 20 to 30,000 rupees extra will be required for this process called BIO FUE. Thank you.